Primarily, Indian economy is based on three sectors: primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. Primary sector includes those activities which are created by extracting and collecting of natural resources like farming, hunting, fishing and mining. Secondary sector is also known as industrial sector because secondary sector covers those activities in which natural products are changed into other forms through manufacturing. Sugar, good, cloths, these all are the types of secondary sector products or goods. Tertiary sector includes those activities which help in the development of the primary and secondary sectors. Keep remember that tertiary sector is also known as service sector. In fact, these activities which are done in tertiary sector, these are not such activities which produce a good, rather they are an aid or support for the production process, like teachers, doctors, washermen, barbers, lawyers, call centers, software companies. All these are the activities includes in tertiary sector. More than half of the workers in India are working in primary sector, mainly in agriculture, and I told you that agriculture includes in primary sector. In secondary and tertiary sector, less than half the people are working. And if we talk about the ratio of secondary and tertiary sector into GDP, these two sectors produce 4/5 of the GDP, while primary sector contributes a quarter of the GDP. Take care. Allah Hafiz.